Hey guys, today I ordered a squishy package. So this is it. I'll give you a look inside. You can't really see, but oh well. So let's get this huge whatever thing it is out of the bag. I ordered from Scary Faker's Squishy. So go subscribe to her. Not subscribe, go follow her. So this big thing, I'm guessing it's my jumbo squishy. It's not very slow rising. I did put in the thingy slow rising. Oh, I forgot to give you the look inside after that massive thing was in. So I'll do a review on that in a second. But you get the first look, go peek. So okay. Oh, this is a scrambled up piece of paper. I'm guessing this is the list. Oh my gosh. Hey, it says, hey, I'm Scary Faker Squishy. I'm not sure if they put that in right, but you ordered a Jumbo Panda Egg Squishy. I'm guessing it was for 50. Squishy emoji. Well, obviously that was for 20. Cloud Squishy. 129. Extras, a million. And also, oh, she forgot some things, like the dog squishy that I ordered. And that big cat squishy I ordered. It's fine, I'll guess. And all of that total was 1 sec. So the total, I forgot to check, it was on the back, but the total was £1,199 or dollars if you're American. So let's get opening, I guess. So I said I'll review this, and it's a really big squishy. Like, I'm not even close to the camera. It's so big, and it's so soft. So this package, I'm thinking it's not going to be a rip-off, but I might have to change my mind for that. It's so soft. So I might even use this as a pillow. So the next thing is, I'm going to go. Okay, what's this? Don't tell me, sorry, I get hiccups. Don't tell me this is my cloud squishy. This is my cloud squishy. Okay, so I said, no, I've got the hiccups so bad. But, yeah. Oh well. Next is this panda. Oh my gosh, my hiccups. Sorry, next is this panda. Next is this panda egg squishy. I think yeah. So it's really defected and burned. I recommend not going to this user. Next thing is a pencil. And these extras were $1 million. It's an old used JoJo ball without the sign. Okay. Sleeping mask. My jumbo dog squishy. And right at the back is my jumbo emoji squishy. And right at the bottom, a bracelet. Do not buy the squishy, guys. Bye.